Hi, Nick Lingenfelter with PLK Communities, here today to make an exciting announcement. Late last year, we got the opportunity to acquire the former Multi-Color Corporation factory, right next door to Factory 52. What does that mean for you all? The opportunity to expand upon our development and continue to build in the city of Norwood. Today, we need your help. Last time when we started this project, we engaged the community and we asked you for your feedback and guidance. Based on that feedback and guidance, we were able to bring a lot of exciting things, like many of the public art displays you see today. There were other features as well, like keeping the clock tower, saving the smokestack, and bringing that food hall together that so many people have come to love. I'm joined by Brandon Geyer, our Director of Architecture and Planning, who will walk through all of the exciting changes and opportunities that we see coming in the future.
Here we are on the second floor of the Multi-Color building. One of the things we always hear from the community is, can we save the building, or can we preserve the original historic character of it? And the answer is, yes, we can. One of the things you told us in the Phase 1 survey was the importance of preserving the architecture. Here we are in the sub-basement of Multi-Color, and we intend to preserve as many architectural features as possible. Here we are on the first floor of Multi-Color. This part of the building was added later. Unfortunately, we won't be able to keep all the building. This will be part of the building that's going to be demolished.
Let's talk about traffic, the #1 comment or question we get anywhere. With the integration of Google Maps, Apple Maps, and Waze, it's really changed how we travel on city streets. We know that. When we first started this project, a lot of that was not integrated into the phones the same way they are today. And so what we have done is we've actually gone out and found a traffic engineer to help us figure out the best way that people are navigating streets. We also understand, because the streets are different, that we're probably going to have to find a way to help out making these paths better for all of you and all of us. We want to make sure our residents have the best experience, and we want to make sure our neighbors have the best experience. So we will actually be working on wayfinding. What's that mean? Different ways that people get to our property, and how do we help get them the most efficient way possible, causing the least burden on the community and our neighbors directly around us. And finally, access on Robertson. This is probably the #1 comment outside of traffic that we hear about. This is also the reason that we felt that acquiring this property was most critical to us. We knew that we needed to create an additional entrance here to make traffic safer and a safer neighborhood. Please fill out the survey, and please help us shape the future of what is Factory 52 and this area of Norwood.